let's talk about stuff in fashion that I do and don't like right now. I feel like I look unrecognizable in these glasses. Let me know how you like them. I literally can't stop buying glasses, but I guess it's good because I'm giving my eyes a rest from contacts. Before we get into this video, I wanted to say a thank you so much to Quince for sponsoring. We'll talk about them in a little bit because they definitely fall into the things I'm loving right now in fashion. We're gonna start with the good. First thing I'm loving, and I've always loved, but I've just never really like put it into the universe, are buttons super close together. I love it in a cardigan, a like t-shirt, even like pants, skirts, with a long row of buttons that perfectly aligned and so close. They can be any kind. They can be tortoiseshell, they can be like little fabric lined buttons, they can just be, you know, the classic color of whatever you're wearing. Yeah, a lot of little buttons. I think it just makes things look so expensive and high quality. So I adore that. I feel like we always see it on like Orson Iris. I don't know, just like luxury brands. Adorable. Next thing I've been really liking in fashion are long skirts and tights. I feel like tights have maybe not recently come into fashion, but I feel like younger generations are wearing tights more often now. I don't know, they just feel like they're a bit trendy to me. I mean, like tights are timeless, but they're trending. Whenever I would decide to put on tights, it was with like a mini skirt, even like mini short, a mini dress, and I really like the look of a sheer black pair of tights, a midi or maxi length skirt. I feel like it really falls into that like office siren aesthetic, and I think it's adorable. It can be denim, knit, a cotton, patterned, and even the tights could be patterned. I adore black sheer tights from Wolford. If you want like a really nice looking black tight, check out those. And if you want a pair of tights that just never rip but are a bit more opaque, get dance tights, like black dance tights, either from like Block or Capezio, because they're basically indestructible. That's for every day. The Wolford ones would be for like a special occasion. Next thing, still with tights and denim shorts. I think if you're gonna do like a blue denim short, which I actually like, you would do like a sheer black tight with it, and then you could pair it with ballet flats, Mary Jane's, moto boots, knee-high boots. Really cute look. It definitely gives like Jane Birkin and an outfit that I have pinned on my Pinterest board that she wore, and I think it's adorable. Really fun look. I just like don't know where we would be wearing that. But, like maybe if you do things, you'd be wearing it. I just don't do anything, so I don't wear anything. Next thing I'm really loving and I've been loving for a while are knit sets. I wanted to take a moment and talk about our sponsor, Quince. I have their Cashmere Heather Gray sweater on right now, and it comes with a matching pair of pants. They're literally inside out because I'm not joking, I've been wearing these nonstop. I wanted to not have them on for the video so I could like hold them up, but you guys will see a try on also. Here are the knit pants, and they have pockets, back pockets, and 2 front pockets. Okay, of course, like it's cashmere. It's like the softest thing in the world. I'm not joking. Like I've been wearing them outside, out and about. They're the comfiest thing in the world. They look so chic. They have them in black also. I forget the other colors, but I need more knit pants because I am not a yoga pant girly, and I've always just been like wearing joggers, like sweatpants joggers, and sweatpants joggers can only be elevated so much. These are my dream pant in the winter time. I'm not comfy in a jean all day. I will wear these and keep them on and sleep in them and keep wearing them over and over and over. They're really good length. If you're tall, you don't have to be scared about them being too short because I'm 5'7" and these are an extra small and they're long enough on me. And then obviously if you're shorter, you could get them hemmed. I'm really excited to share Quince with you guys because they are affordable but such high quality. They use the factory direct model, so they cut out the middleman, and you can see on the website what would normally be charged for these pieces and what Quince is charging. These cashmere pieces are 100% Mongolian cashmere, so no polyester, organic materials, literally beautiful. I absolutely adore these sets together. So I have this as a matching set, but then I also got the cardigan from Quince. Again, I've been wearing these pieces before I showed them, so they're all like inside out. This has the like multiple long line of buttons that I love, and these buttons are just like beautiful. Piece is also 100% Mongolian cashmere, and it goes matching with those pants. I like having the options. This color gray and like this is what I wear 24/7. Then, because I like the cashmere and the gray so much. I also got this giant scarf, which is kind of like another trend I've been loving, which is these insanely wide scarves. You'll see better in the try on, but that can almost be worn like a cape. I got my mom one of these as well because I knew she'd love it. So I think that this is so beautiful and I can't wait to style it so much in the fall and winter time. Again, 100% cashmere. I think like pairing this gray with cheetah print, suede with like just a black trench, a gray scarf is so good. And I kind of tried to get one last year and like the quality is laughable compared to that. And then this is a bit of a darker gray. It's like a slouchy turtleneck, which I realized last year I like a slouchy turtleneck on me. I don't really like a tight turtleneck, but this one is really nice. Again, you'll see it better in the try on. None of these pieces are itchy. This one's again 100% cashmere. Like they feel like butter, and they're pieces you'll have in your closet forever. Anything that I've ever gotten that was cashmere, I never get rid of it because it feels like such a luxurious piece. And if you touch any of your other sweaters that are just like cotton or polyester or anything like that, like nothing compares once you've touched cashmere. And then the last thing I got, you guys know I've been wanting a puffer. So when I saw this one on Quince, I really wanted to pick it up. It's a nice army green color. It's a shorter puffer, which you guys know if you watch my videos, that's what I've been wanting. This is responsibly sourced down, so I felt better about getting it. Quince is really just an amazing brand for sustainability and ethical practices. That's everything I got from Quince. If you guys want to shop anything that I showed today, the links will be in the description box. Let's get into the rest of the things I'm liking and not liking. Next thing I've been really liking is just fun hair. I am so sick of just a blowout, curls, anything like that. I feel like fun hair has been trending for a while now, but a lot of it just like didn't look good on me. Like I didn't like the little baby braids trend. I didn't like the like money pieces on me, like not, no, whatever, on other people. One that I'm really liking are like bigger braids and, you know, French braids, like with just one straight down the back. I know that's not considered like fun, but for me it is, as someone who has never really done their hair. Like I always just do a messy bun or all down. So I've been doing this hairstyle. I did a little tutorial on my YouTube shorts or on Instagram if you guys want to check it out there, but they're kind of like milkmaid style braids. I'm really into the milkmaid braids, but my hair's not long enough to do like the traditional wrapping your milkmaid braids. I don't know, this just like pilgrim hair, I'm into it. And I think it's really cute. But also like a pixie cut. You guys, I literally sent like a pixie cut haircut to my hairdresser and I was like, talk me out of this. And then Emma Chamberlain like chopped all her hair off and I was like, okay, like there's gonna be a wave of pixie cuts and I don't wanna do it now. So I'll probably like grow my hair down to my butt and then I'm gonna chop it all off and get a pixie cut. But Emma's hair, like cute. I mean, she's pretty, she looks cute in anything. But like I want like a buzz cut. Like I was very close to having Brandon just give me a buzz cut with his razor, but I stopped myself. Could you imagine if I just came on here and my head was shaved? But like, who cares? Do it. Now we're gonna get into things that I don't particularly like in fashion. And these are all taken with a grain of salt. You know, just listen, okay? The first thing I don't like, back to hair, because I almost like everything in fashion, but I don't hate. I just think you're not going to your full potential if you have long, thin bangs. The bangs that are under your eyebrow, they're stringy, and you can basically like run your hand through your hair and they disappear. I think when people decide to get those bangs, it's because they're scared of the commitment. They're scared of the chunky bang. They're scared of a micro bang. They're scared of being not pretty, because a lot of the times boys don't, and I'm gonna say boys, not even men, because I consider them boys. Boys don't like bangs. That's what I've realized. Every time I get bangs, I almost said boyfriends, all my guy friends are like, okay, don't worry, I don't care what they think. It feels like you're just scared of the commitment of bangs, and I get it, because bangs can be a bitch to grow out. You're not gonna like them if you get long, thin bangs. You're never gonna wear them down. They're gonna be a pain to style, and it's just like you wasted that hair and you're gonna have, you know, a bad haircut. I said it. Either commit, get the bangs, buy some clip-on bangs, try it out. But the only way you're gonna wear your bangs down is if like they consistently lay down on your forehead, and those little thin long bangs never do that because they're in your eyebrows. They're effing annoying. That's all I can say. Okay, another thing with hair that doesn't match your outfit. And I wrote next to it, just because your hair looks pretty doesn't mean it's helping your look. And I feel like this is another thing, like especially women, we're so scared of not being perceived as pretty. Like maybe our outfit outfit is cool, maybe it's edgy, maybe it's artsy, maybe it's grunge, but we want to make sure that like at the end of the day we still look pretty. And I was literally a victim to this mentality, I swear. And it's like the male gaze kind of thing, like your whole outfit is female gaze, but your hair is still long loose curls and you have, you know, like feminine no makeup look on. Not saying that that never is what goes with your outfit, but sometimes you've got to commit. You've got to have the milkmaid braids to like finish off your prairie girl outfit. You have to have pigtail braids to finish off your cowgirl look. I'm not saying again like pigtail braids are not like male gaze, but maybe they don't look as pretty as your hair blown out. You know what I mean? Not having your hair match your outfit, I feel like it's just doing such a disservice. Yeah, just like fully commit from head to toe. Okay. The last thing I say that I don't like in fashion is not committing. Don't do things and be afraid that you're not pretty or cool or chill. Don't half-ass them so you have an scapegoat. Do it full out. Be weird, be ugly, be funny, be stupid. Be it with your whole heart. I especially mean this scapegoat part because Brandon and I were actually talking about this. The other day I actually posted the picture on Instagram. I'm wearing a white t-shirt, a denim like jumper dress, and then I'm wearing like little lad socks and loafers, and I'm wearing my hair in these milkmaid braids. Like everything apart my outfit, just like it all goes together. Do I look the prettiest in it? No. Do I look the hottest? No. Do all of my pieces make sense together? And I'm not even saying that like all your pieces have to make sense together because like the wrong shoe theory work. You know, mixing and matching aesthetics work. But at the end of the day, you can tell when things go together and when they don't. Even if it's like a polar opposite, they go together. Like two wrongs make a right. I think old Lainey would have simplified that outfit a little bit so it didn't look as like cosplay. I would have paired sambas with it to tone it down and make it, in my head, I was making it more me, and I probably would have had my hair like all down and, you know, pretty. I would do that to kind of like fit in to, especially where I live, and fit into a mold. And if we were hanging out with people who, you know, didn't really dress weird, I didn't want to stand out like that. And I think it only made me stand out more because it was just like, oh, the outfit looks bad. But if I'm fully committing to this look, I don't know, you look at somebody who fully commits to a look that's weird, and not even saying my outfit was weird, but do you guys, okay. But if you look at somebody who fully commits, even if it's bad, you have a respect for them, and you're like, you know what? I don't like that. Yes, I love that you know what you're doing, and you're doing it for you, if that makes sense. Oh, you guys. So like, you see what I mean? Like my fashion, I don't like it, aren't even I don't like it. They're just like, think about fashion in a different way kind of thing. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to use the link in the description box to check out Quince, and I'll see you in a few days. I love you the absolute most. Bye.